وبركاته Sheikh.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Sheikh, I want advice from you because I trust you. And the situation is that I met a girl and her father and she are demanding 40,000 euros for Mahr. But I'm in vocational training and do not earn much, even though I work 2 jobs. And they also require me to have an apartment. When they asked about my religious school, I said I follow the Salaf and Hanbali school. Her mother then refused the marriage unless I say I follow only the Hanbali school, claiming scholars told her Salaf is not acceptable. I fear that the girl and I may fall into haram because we see each other at work. What is your advice, Sheikh?
First of all, my advice is, number 1, to fear Allah Azza wa Jal, to cut all communications with this girl, to avoid any contact with her, even if she's at work, unless it's work related, without being alone, without being monitored by others. So you involve others to monitor your communication if it is work related by copying someone else as a colleague or the likes. Secondly, 40,000 euros as a dowry is a lot of money. I'd highly recommend that you buy a second-hand BMW M5. That would be more logical. 40,000 euros for what? For Miss Universe? For someone who is highly decorated student of knowledge, hafidhah of the Quran, someone who is a brilliant housewife and a good wife and a mother to your children? This is a lot of money. Someone who insists that you follow a particular school of thought and claiming that Salafiyah is not something reliable or something credible, definitely is from the people of innovation. You are better off to run away from this family and from this girl. Don't have anything to do with them. Save your money and look for someone who is decent, who fears Allah. If you look around, you will find much more better, much more beautiful, much more practicing and upon Salafiyah nearby you. Just go and visit the Islamic centers and you will find inshallah.